Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I'm a full-time content creator living in Pittsburgh with my fiance and our Labradoodle. So really quickly before we get into this vlog, I wanted to mention that I am planning on switching to doing 2 vlogs each week on Friday and Sunday. My goal is to do 2 vlogs a week, and I think if I just have 2 set days where I plan on posting those, it'll help me be more consistent, because up until now I've kind of just been posting randomly whenever I am able to. So from here on out, I'm planning on doing 2 weekly vlogs, Friday and Sunday. So from here on out, I plan on doing 2 vlogs a week, Friday and Sunday, with shorts in between. So before we get into the vlog, I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and make sure to turn on your bell notifications so that you guys will know when I have a new video up. So I have a few things that I want to share with you guys in this vlog, but let's first get started with my home decor from my last video, which if you guys missed it, I will link it for you guys. It was a haul of some home decor, clothing, and more. So I wanted to show you guys how I ended up styling that parachute home decor. Okay, so we are here in my living room. I ended up styling that canvas floor basket here. It doesn't have anything in it currently. I may end up putting some blankets in there, or maybe Indio's toys or something, but it looks really cute underneath my Territory Design basket wall hanging. I definitely needed something to go underneath that basket wall hanging, so that canvas floor basket was the perfect thing. And it's just a nice neutral floor basket. And then we have the blanket over here from Parachute, also very neutral. It's a super cozy, thick blanket that I just like styled over the side of the armchair for now. It's definitely adding a lot of coziness to this corner. And I also tossed this little thrifted throw pillow that I thrifted at the Goodwill bins, and I feel like both of those make this corner look very cozy, homey, and inviting. Mr. Indio wanted to say hi really quick. I just trimmed his eyes yesterday, like the hair around his eyes, so we can see his eyes a little bit better. He definitely needs a haircut very soon. So I called to schedule a grooming session for Indio, and they're actually booked until the end of May. And we just got a little doggy campaign, didn't we, Indio? So I'm not sure if I want him to be completely buzzed for the video, because at this point he really needs like a complete buzz for summer. His fur is like extra matted right now because I just could not keep up with it. So he still looks so cute though. He's very fuzzy, but it's very matted. So I'm definitely excited for him to get a little haircut. And as you guys can see, I swept yesterday and this morning, and there are still little pills everywhere from Indio's fur. I'm like constantly sweeping those up, so it'll be nice to hopefully not have to do as much of that once his hair is all buzzed for summer. Wow, Indio, you're such a good boy. Someone's hoping for a little treat right now. Good boy. Okay, so I have a few PR packages to unbox, and then I also wanted to show you guys something that I recently got from the Target dollar spot. I swear I'm always getting something from there like every week. I saw these in the Target dollar spot, and I thought that they would be so cute, and they definitely fit the interiors in my apartment a lot. This is like one of my favorite colors, this like earthy terracotta color, and then it has these cork lids. So these are containers that can be used in many ways. You could use these to store like flour, sugar, coffee beans, like that kind of thing. Or even in like a bathroom to hold cotton balls, cotton swabs. You could use them to store like jewelry, hair accessories, like so many things. I'm not sure where I'm going to style these. it'll either be in my bathroom probably or in the kitchen. So I gotta figure that out, but I thought these were so cute, and at $5 were a super great deal. So I definitely had to pick these up. Okay, so next up we have a package here from Good Molecules. So here is what was in the box. It is the new discoloration correcting body treatment. So it says it's formulated to target discoloration and promote an even skin tone. And they also sent along this little flyer card or whatever you would call these. So basically they were launching this in preparation for summer to give you confidence for an even skin tone if you struggle with any of those kinds of concerns. I'll definitely have to try this out and see what I think. I have quite a few Good Molecules skincare products that I've been using on my face, and I really love their stuff. Okay, so this last package is actually a campaign that I'm going to be shooting next week with Mrs. Meyer's. It's their new candle line. So I've got this yellow candle here, 2 of those. Soy candle. They're made with essential oils. And then this one is, oh, here we go. Here's the scent. So the purple one is lilac scented. And then the yellow is daisy scented. The packaging is super cute too. Let's check it out. That smells so good. So just cute little candles. These make like perfect gifts, and they're also great for a little self-care, like maybe a little bath time, some like relaxing meditation or something. Turn on a candle. Oh, whoa, actually there's 2 layers. So let's see. There was that 1 layer of candles and then a second layer. Oh my goodness. So we also have the rose scent and the mint scent. So very, very cute, and I'll be stocked up on candles for a while. The rose one smells really good too. I think my favorite is the daisy scented candle though. Okay guys, so next I have a spider plant here. This is a cutting that I have been propagating for several months now. I've been meaning to repot it for a few weeks, but I just haven't gotten around to it. Been a little busy after my Arizona trip with like editing and campaigns to shoot and stuff, so I'm finally now repotting it. But it definitely took a lot longer than I was expecting to propagate. Pothos that I've propagated in the past have basically taken anywhere from like as short as a week and a half to a month and a half to grow roots. This one took closer to a month and a half, if not a little bit longer, to finally grow roots. And you can barely see them, but they're like really skinny little roots, and I think that they're finally long enough to repot into this little guy here. So I'm just going to take this out. It's just placed right into the hole of this bottle, just like that. Going to pat the roots dry. So what's so funny is that this little cutting was really super small, and in that amount of time it's grown really long. So all this length from the couple of months, because before it was like barely a quarter of the size of this. And you can see the little roots there. Still need to dry them off a little bit more, and then I'll pot it in here with a little bit of soil and top it off with water. So I actually have tried to propagate a spider plant before and have not had success. So I'm hoping that this method with the water propagation will work this time. So I'll let you guys know how that ends up going. And I'll just place it in here, make a little well so that the roots can sit in there nicely. Top it off with a little bit of water, and with a little luck, hopefully this will take root into the dirt. And then hopefully, eventually I want to be able to, once it gets a little bit bigger, I want to be able to hang it up because these look super pretty hung up, and they are one of those plants that grows like really, really fast. So hopefully I'll have like a really nice, healthy plant by maybe the end of summer, we'll see. So here's my little plant. I need to pick up some more soil to top that off with. I ran out recently, and I need to find a spot with a lot of sun for this plant because spider plants do like a lot of sun. If you guys are new here, I have a boho home decor shop called Urban Darling Shop, primarily on Etsy and Facebook Marketplace, where I sell thrifted boho finds. And I've actually been selling vintage since 2011. I used to sell vintage clothing on Etsy, and then I transitioned to selling vintage boho decor when we moved to Nashville. So it's been a couple of years now where I've been primarily selling thrifted boho decor finds. I haven't been able to do as much thrifting as I would like to recently. Hopefully I'll be able to get a little bit back into that soon because it is something that I really enjoy, and it was really great for when I was decorating our apartment. And my shop basically makes it that I can continue thrifting, and it's just kind of like a fun hobby that I like to do in addition to my social media. So I have a few baskets here that just went up in my shop, Urban Darling Shop, and a basket here that sold that I'm going to be packing up here in a second. I just have this cute little card that I throw in with like a discount for future purchases. So I'm going to be packing that up in a second. And then these baskets are already up on Etsy and Facebook if you guys are interested in those. Okay, so I found a box that was big enough for this basket. I basically just have to keep a ton of boxes in different sizes because all of the home decor items that I sell in my shop are all very randomly sized, so I have to have all kinds of boxes, and I always just save these from whenever I get like a PR package or an order or something. This one even had tons of packaging, like protective packaging in it, so I just reuse that. And sometimes I even will use like egg cartons for like extra padding too. So that's a nice way to be able to recycle and reuse. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys know of anyone who would enjoy this channel as well, please be sure to share it with them so that you guys can help me grow my YouTube channel. Also be sure to check me out on all socials at The Urban Darling and my blog, theurbandarling.com, for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!